The 2015 to 2020 Tahoe and Suburban have garbage headlights. The reverse light uses an incandescent bulb and is not bright at all. If you want to transform the back end of your Tahoe and or Suburban, we have just the thing for you. Our all-new Morimoto XB taillights are inspired by the design of the more modern looking taillights from the Escalade. These look right at home on the back end of your Chevy Suburban and or Tahoe. The linear 3D light blades serve as the brake light and turn signal. The turn signal and the brake, which of course is in red, are both equally impressive in the intensity department, both day and night. Compared to similar taillights online, the overall fit and finish are much more OEM-like on the Morimoto version, easily making these the best set of aftermarket taillights on the road for your Chevy Tahoe and or Suburban. The Morimoto XB taillights come standard with an LED reverse light. It gives you that bright white color that your original incandescent bulbs don't have. But wait, there's more. We went one step further in the reverse department. These taillights allow a plug-and-play installation of the optional LED backup boost bar, which mounts to the top of your license plate frame and provides an extra 2,700 lumens of controlled light output in reverse. All Morimoto lights are designed to comply with all DOT SAE regulations for rear-facing lamps. We pride ourselves in offering stylish, high-performance, and safe products for serious enthusiasts, which is why all new Morimoto products are verified by trusted third-party labs for compliance and are backed with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. These taillights are 100% plug-and-play, and I'm going to show you how to install them right now. Start by opening the rear liftgate and supporting it using a hood prop. Remove the plastic cover from the base of the liftgate strut and use a flathead screwdriver to pry out the metal clip securing it to the vehicle. With the clip in the outward unlocked position, pull the bottom of the strut away from the vehicle to release it from its mount. Use a trim removal tool that we sell on our website to pry out and remove the lower trim panel next to the taillight. Remove the T15 torque screw from the top of the upper trim panel. Use the trim removal tool to pry out and remove the upper trim panel above the taillight. Remove the 3 T15 torque screws from the body panel above the taillight. With the screws removed, pull the panel off the vehicle. Moving under the rear of the vehicle beneath the taillight, locate the main taillight connector and disconnect it. Remove the 2 T15 torque screws from the taillight. With the screws removed, pull the taillight off of the vehicle. Next, you can pull the harness that is connected to the taillight up through the vehicle and remove it completely. Now grab your 2 magnetic resistors and mount them to the vehicle as shown. Plug both of those in. If you chose to purchase the additional backup boost bar, plug in the extension harness into the back of the taillight now. And then reinstall your taillight. Now you can reconnect both of your struts. If you have purchased the additional Morimoto backup boost bar, you'll start by prying the upper interior panel loose and pulling it down to remove it from the hatch. Lower the hatch, open the glass, and pry the 2 plastic clips next to the glass latch loose. Lift the hatch back into the upright position and remove the 1 T30 Torx bit from the panel at the bottom of the hatch. Then pry the panel loose. Disconnect the plug on the back of the panel. Pry loose and remove the lower hatch interior panel. Remove the license plate light by pressing on the tab and pushing the assembly out. Drill a 5/16 hole in the license plate light assembly. Reinstall the license plate light assembly and pass the boost bar wiring through the hole you just drilled. Route the boost bar wiring along the factory harness to the top of the hatch. Poke a small hole in the boot, pass the wire through that hole and run it along the boot. Leave the harness here for now. Don't forget to connect your factory wiring to the back of the taillight. And on the passenger side, don't forget to connect the backup boost bar wiring. And that's all it takes to get your new XB taillights installed on your Chevy Tahoe or Suburban. To see all of the other upgrades that we make for your Tahoe or Suburban, go to morimotolighting.com. Type in your year, make, and model, and you'll see everything there.